Which battery maintainer and charger is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, NOCO Genius 10. First up is the NOCO Genius. This smart battery charger caught my eye with its impressive features and solid reputation, priced at $99.87. If you want a powerful all-in-one solution that keeps your battery in peak condition, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Genius 10 can charge both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. What does that mean for you? It can handle everything from your car to your motorcycle, boat, or even lawn mower. It delivers a solid 10 amps of power and can even charge batteries down to just 1 volt, which helps recover deeply discharged batteries. The built-in thermal sensor adjusts the charging according to the temperature, preventing overcharging in hot weather or undercharging in the cold. Now, some people complained about its price and size. Honestly, at 17% smaller than previous models, it still packs a punch, but yes, it's a bit of an investment. Here's the thing though, if you own multiple vehicles or have a battery that's often neglected, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable maintainer that can rejuvenate and keep your batteries healthy. Skip this one if you're only looking for something basic for a single vehicle. It offers great value for what you get. Now, if the price of the Genius 10 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MOTOPOWER-MP00205B. Next is the MOTOPOWER-MP00205B, priced at just $17.99. This compact charger caught my attention for its affordability and reliability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is definitely worth checking out. This product is great for maintaining your 12-volt lead-acid batteries. The pulse charging technology it uses helps maximize battery performance and extend its lifespan, which is something you definitely want for your vehicle. Plus, the LED indicator makes it easy to see what's happening during charging. However, some users mention that it can take a while for a full charge, especially on bigger batteries. But here's the thing, if you're just looking to maintain a battery rather than charge a completely dead one, that's not really an issue. This is perfect for you if you have 1 or 2 vehicles to maintain on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger batteries quickly. For the price, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something with a little more power. Product number 3, MOTOPOWER-MP00205A. Now let's talk about the MOTOPOWER-MP00205A, which is priced at $16.99. This battery maintainer is another fantastic option that offers great value. If you want something that's easy to use and effective, you should really consider this one. It also has a 24-hour timer to prevent overcharging, and it maintains the battery at a safe voltage of 13.6 V. The zero output in standby mode also means you won't drain your battery while it's connected. But some users have noted that the instructions can be a bit confusing. I get that frustration. Here's the thing, though, once you figure it out, it works like a charm and provides peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use maintainer that does the job without fuss. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-amperage charger for bigger batteries. It's a smart buy for the price. Now, if you need something with a bit more power and features, let's move on to our next product. Product number 4, Schumacher SC1355. Next up is the Schumacher SC1355, priced at $25.07. This is a solid 3-in-1 solution that caught my eye for its reliability and performance. If you want something that can charge, maintain, and even recondition your batteries, this is worth a look. The SC1355 delivers 1.5 amps of power and is compatible with both 6V and 12V batteries. This is crucial for folks with seasonal vehicles that need to perform reliably after storage. The reverse polarity protection is a nice touch too, ensuring that if you connect it incorrectly, it won't damage your battery. However, some folks have found it a bit bulky compared to other models. I'll be real with you, while it's not the smallest option out there, the performance it delivers makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles or if you want a reliable solution for seasonal maintenance. Skip this one if you need a super compact charger. It's a great mid-range option. Now, if you're looking for something that offers smart charging with extra features, our last product is definitely one to consider. Product number 5, Battery Tender Plus. Finally, we have the Battery Tender Plus priced at $58.95. This is a fan favorite for good reason, known for its reliability. If you're serious about maintaining your battery, this one is definitely worth your attention. The Battery Tender Plus utilizes a 4-step charging program that not only charges but also maintains your battery's health. It adapts to your battery's needs, which is important for extending its life. The 2-color charge status indicator makes it easy to monitor the charging process, and the quick disconnect harness makes it super convenient to use. On the downside, some users have mentioned it can be a bit pricey compared to others. But here's what I think: if you're looking for a charger that you can leave connected for maintenance without worrying about overcharging, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you own multiple vehicles or if you want something that offers smart charging capabilities. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic charger. It's a high-quality option that delivers on its promises. So to wrap it up, we've covered the NOCO Genius 10 for power, the budget-friendly MOTOPOWER options for basic needs, the Schumacher SC1355 for versatility, and the Battery Tender Plus for smart maintenance. Each one has its strengths, so think about what you need most. Happy charging!